Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see a solver for a root of equation in a Python. Okay, so we are going to use a Python language to find out a root of equation, okay, by using a suitable solver. So let us begin how we are going to use. So first statement with a hash I have started, so it is a comment, and in the next line I am going to import scipy dot optimize import a function name fsolve. Okay, so fsolve is nothing but a solver which we are going to use to find out root of equation in a Python software, in a Python language. So first of all we need to define a function. So in a Python we use generally def space f of x colon, then in a return. So we are going to have two, we are going to solve two equations, okay, by using this same solver. So first equation is a linear equation, x cube minus 2x minus 5, take initial guess as 2. So what in a written statement we are going to have x cube x into x. Please take care that you enter in a proper upper case or a lower case, because it is a case sensitive, just like your MATLAB and Scilab. So this fsolve I'm going to have as my function, okay, inbuilt solver, which is going, we have imported this solver from this scipy.optim, okay, and finally we are going to print the value of x. So how the solver statement look like? The second line indicates from this scipy.optim optimize we have imported fsolve as a function, that is our solver. Then we have defined a function, okay. So here we have taken a linear equation, so that is x cube minus 2x minus 5. Then in a sixth line it indicates x equal to fsolve. Fsolve indicate function solve in a bracket, f represent this function, comma 2 represent the initial guess. Now in a problem they have taken take initial guess as 2, so I have written here 2, and then we need to print the value of x. So when I say run, it is going to run and it is going to show me the value answer of it, 2.094555148. So this is the answer which I am going to get using the solver. The answer is 2.094555148. You can cross verify this answer after solving it analytically. Then the second equation which we are going to have is in an exponential form. So I will copy this equation and I will paste this equation in this function, okay, function line. So it is showing me some kind of error because it is not identifying what do you mean by exp. Yes, we know exp when we write in a MATLAB it represent as exponential. Also we write in a Scilab it also represent as a exponential, but here it is saying it as a undefined name exp. Means what, we need to import one more library which is called as a maths library, mathematical library, and then we need to include in this function line. So what we need to return, maths.exp in bracket x. Now again it is a square, so what we are going to have, instead of having raised to 2, what we are going to do, math.exp into x, which is nothing but a exp bracket square, okay, exp of x, that is exponential of x bracket square, okay. So this is my second example, and here I am going to take initial guess as 1. So instead of 2, I am going to edit it as 1. F represent this function. F represent this function. Now let us run this program. So just hit an enter, run file. So you will get a value here in a console window, which is the answer for the second, which is the answer for the second example. So this is the solver statement which we are going to use for a root of equation, okay, in a Python language. Thank you all for watching this video.